Flextool Dust Collector FDC-1A is fitted with high-quality H-Class HEPA filters to capture the finest concrete and silica dust particles, resulting in optimum air filtration. Concrete dust is extremely hazardous if inhaled, which makes a professional vacuum cleaner standard equipment on a construction site. But easy clogging and ongoing cleaning of the filtration system continue to be key issues across the industry. This innovative auto-cleaning system allows for 100% uninterrupted working, eliminating the need for the operator to constantly stop to pulse or manually clean the filters. The patented auto-pulsing filter cleaning system has been designed to ensure there is no suction loss during the self-cleaning process, which maximizes work efficiency. Cleaning happens automatically and regularly throughout operation. When one filter is cleaning, the other continues to work, ensuring optimum performance without significant loss of airflow. This innovative technology removes the need for a separate onboard air compressor and circuit board, making it exceptionally reliable and low maintenance.